Before I jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel. We daily upload health-related videos. Why turmeric and ginger iced tea for weight loss? When you put together two strong, famous, powerful army together to fight a battle, what you really expecting the result to be? Of course, winning battle. So advance to your kitchen and begin preparing the winning battle drink that you simply will really enjoy the result at the top after a troublesome fight together with your body. Some people can really wonder if this drink can really work. Or it's just someone boring and wants to write a post with no benefits. No, my dear. This recipe worked on me and on all my friends, and it's going to work on you, and you will get the body you want. Turmeric drink before bed mix with ginger and coconut milk. Turmeric benefits. Turmeric is one of the most beneficial spices you can use. It has been used for centuries for many reasons. It can help of liver diseases, muscle and joint pain, skin disorders, and to strengthen the immune system and boost the overall health. Turmeric and ginger can also support your heart, brain and each cell in your body with this delicious and refreshing beverage. Ginger. Ginger may be a tasty, warming spice that gives numerous medicinal benefits from its gingerols, which is that the oily resin from the ginger root that gives powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Another research has found that it offers dramatic effects for heart health, including reducing cholesterol levels, preventing the oxidation of LDL, or bad cholesterol, and preventing atherosclerosis. Honey. Honey adds a wonderful sweet taste to the tea, but it offers health benefits of its own, including improving brain health, particularly in women, who tend to suffer from the hormone-related intellectual decline during post-menopause. Next are the ingredients and follow the instruction. Ingredients: 1 cup plus 3 cups of water, 1 cup for steeping, 3 for dilution. 4 teaspoons dried ginger or 2 inches fresh ginger root. 3/4 of a teaspoon black pepper. 1/4 cup of honey. 4 teaspoons dried organic turmeric. Instructions: measure the turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. Place into a small saucepan. Cover with the 1 cup water and convey to a boil. Reduce the heat to a simmer. Simmer for a couple of minutes, then close up the warmth. Add honey after the heat has been turned off. Cover the saucepan and let it steep for at least an hour or two. You can let it steep overnight for a stronger concentration. Using a cheesecloth, strain the mixture to get rid of a number of the gritty powder and fresh ginger if you've opted for the fresh root. This will make the texture smoother. You can store the concentration and make one drink at a time, or add the 3 cups water and store during a quart-sized jar within the refrigerator. More water is often added consistent with the taste you're trying to find. The same goes for sweetened note, if you on vital sign medication or the other med. Please consult your doctor before consuming this drink just to be safe. Conclusion: now you recognize the way to prepare yourself for a replacement, attractive and sexy body that a lot of women wish to own. As we said earlier, this drink will help you to shed down many unwanted pounds from all around your body, and you will enjoy the result. Did you like this video? Please push the like button and subscribe to our channel.